Top of the morning to y'all. I want to make a short little video for my friend from Ireland. Now, I used to think she was from Iceland, but I found out that she is from Ireland, okay? Northern Ireland. She sent me this package for Christmas, and it just got here yesterday. So it took over 2 months for it to get here. But some things are well worth the wait, I think. Okay, I'm going to see what we got. It's in bubble wrap. She used bubble wrap because she wanted to make it safe for transportation. So she used bubble wrap. All right. I can't seem to get it open. Oh. Here's one. This is my Ireland cap. Well, not really. This is called a newsboy cap or a cabbie hat. It was big back in the 1940s. See that? It says, to Greg from Kira. Let me undo this here. Oh. It's designer socks. 3 pairs of designer socks that I can put there on my toes to keep them warm when I'm walking out in the slushy snow. Thanks, Kira. Let's see what else is in the package. Oh, we have a card. I should open this first. It's a card. Oh. It's got a little snowman and a little deer on it. To Greg from Kira. Hope you have a lovely Christmas. Here's to a great 2021. Handwritten. I know it's late in the season, but I'm going to put this on my mail so I can look at it every day. Okay. Look at that. Little Santa Claus paper. And there's a little Christmas tree right there. It's got a little bow. Let me unwrap it. See, you don't want to see my hair. I got hat hair, so I just leave the hat on. I'm not completely bald yet, but give me a couple more days and I might be. Basically, if I keep wearing my hats. I like to unwrap things slowly as we go. Built to last. It's a new wallet. You're never going to believe this, but my old wallet is worn out. And if I walk into a store, it sets the alarms off. Kroger's, Walmart, everywhere I go, it sets the alarms off. So I've been having to take my bank cards out into the store with me and leave my wallet in the vehicle. I don't like doing that. So I was getting ready to buy one of these, but I don't have to now because look. How did she know I needed a new wallet? Does she have ESP? She must have. She must have that Ireland brainwave going on there that she can sense what I need when I need it. Okay. Thanks, Kira. That's so sweet. Look at that. Here's another. It looks like a little train. And I think it has chocolates in it. Yep. Milk chocolate coins. Choo 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 choo. Woo woo woo. Thank you. That's very sweet of you. I'm going to eat it all up. Oh, chicken noodle soup. The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Woo, she knows that. Thank you, my long distance friend. And last but not least, look at that. It said it's shortbread petticoat tails baked. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can read that or not. Baked in Scotland. Did you know that the capital of Scotland was Edinburgh? It really is. It's not Glasgow, it's Edinburgh. And the capital of Ireland is Dublin. And the capital of Iceland is Reykjavik. The corner of it got dented, but it'll still be good. We got one more thing in the package. Uh-oh. I think it looks to be like a toy soldier. I like toy soldiers. Yep, there's his feet. That's exactly what it is. It's a toy soldier. It's not broke. You just got to get the soldier out and then mount the feet. Maybe. There. See, it just sets in there just like that. And then you can set it anywhere. Pretty. I don't think it was ever, I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like it might have been glued in there. That's no big deal. It looks like it might have came unglued when it was transported, but I'll put some glue in there and we'll set it up nice. I'm going to put that on my mantle too. Happy late Christmas, everybody. I'd like to be your friend. Well, that's all I have. That's everything, and I'm going to put it all on my mantle because even though it was late getting here, it's really special to me. So, I want to thank you, Kira, and hope to hear from you again someday. Because that was a very sweet thing to do. So, gotta watch these strings. Anyway, thanks a lot, and hope to talk to you soon. I hope you all enjoyed me unwrapping my gifts. It's a late gift received, but you know what? I enjoyed it. Catch y'all later. Catch y'all next December. Goodbye. I'm out of here. Adios, amigos.